When I first started Euro nymphing, I was driving 2 hours to get to the river, stopping at the fly shop in town, spending 20 bucks on half a dozen Euro nymphs. 20 minutes into the day, I'm standing in a promising run, a good drift going, the sighter stops. I set the hook. Not a fish. A log. 7 bucks, 2 flies, donated to the bottom of the river. 20 minutes into the day. If this has ever happened to you, this video is for you. Here's the first thing that changes when you start tying your own Euro nymphs. You fish more confidently. When a fly costs you 50 cents and 5 minutes at the vise, you're going to cast it into places you'd never cast a $3.50 shop fly. The log jam, the undercut bank, the root wad where you know there's a fish, but you've been babying the cast. That's not a small thing. Confidence changes how you fish. It changes where you put the fly. Second reason, shops stock what sells broadly. They're not stocking for your water. You know your water, the depth, the current, and whether you need a 2.8 millimeter bead or a 3.8 to get the drift to slow down. When you tie your own flies, you can match that exactly. Need a size 18 with a 3.8 millimeter bead? Nobody's stocking that. You can build it. Now here's the thing I wish someone had told me earlier. Euro nymphs are the easiest flies to tie. I'm not saying that to make you feel better. I mean technically. No elk hair, no wings, no delicate dry fly hackle that takes 6 months to wrap around without destroying. A paratagon is thread, a bead, maybe a wire rib, and UV resin. A little more complicated, maybe you got some dubbing, a tail, and a soft hackle collar. That's it. If any style of fly fishing is the gateway into tying, this is it. The fourth reason is the one I think about most now. When you tie your own flies, you start thinking differently about what the fish actually sees. You're not just picking a pattern out of a bin. You're making decisions, bead color, body profile, collar material, and then you're going to the river and watching what happens. I've changed a single thing on a fly, swapped a silver bead for a copper one and had a completely different day. You don't get that feedback loop when you buy flies. You get it when you tie them. Now, I know what the objections are because I had all of them. It takes too long. Well, Euro nymphs are fast. Tie them while you're watching something in the evening. You can put together a dozen paratagons in under an hour once you have the materials in front of you. The startup cost is too high. A basic tying setup, vise, thread, beads, hooks, UV resin, some dubbing costs less than a guided day on the river. You'll recoup it very quickly. I'm not creative enough. Well, you don't need to be. You already know which patterns work. You've been fishing them for years. Start with recipes. If you watch my 7 patterns video, you already have your list. I want to tell you about the doubt I had that nobody talks about. It wasn't the time, it wasn't the cost, it was this quiet thought in the back of my head. Will a fish actually eat something I made? Because a fish doesn't care about your feelings. It doesn't give you credit for effort. It either eats the fly or it doesn't. So the first time I waded in with flies I had tied, I wasn't confident. I was waiting to be proven wrong, and then one ate it. And I stood there for a second thinking, it worked. I made that, and it worked. That's the moment this becomes something different for you. Not just a way to save money or dial in your weight. You realize you actually understand what a fish wants, well enough to tie something it'll eat. That changes how you see yourself on the water. That's waiting for you on the other side of 6 flies and an evening at the vise. In the next video, I'm going to walk you through the tying setup you actually need to get started. What to buy, what to skip, and what I wish I hadn't spent money on. If you don't want to miss it, subscribe.